Cathedral Street or Soborna Street in Ukrainian language is the central or the main street of Sumy city. On these photos we see how this street looked like at the end of 19th century. Now this is pedestrian street. At the beginning you can see the monument to Taras Shevchenko, well known Ukrainian poet and writer, and some trees, some benches. At the middle of this street there is a Holy Resurrection Cathedral, we can see. Yes, here is. From right and left side there are some new buildings, old buildings. For example, this building coming back to the end of 19th century. But this is a street just where on the first floor there are different shops, kiosks, cafes, restaurants, and so on and so on. And the streets goes to the Independence Square. Here is very big, not very big, but big square. And on the right side there is administration of Sumy region. And a little bit far away we see Hotel Sumy, which doesn't work for now.